Nature is a profound source of inspiration and wisdom for those seeking spiritual growth. Through meditation, we can connect with the natural world on a deeper level and draw upon its healing energy. Many people meditate on an ongoing basis. However, many more people do not for all sorts of reasons, including the perception that meditation needs to be long or somehow requires advanced skills. I want to explore some simple and accessible nature-based meditation practices focused on connecting with the elements: earth, water, fire, and air. These practices can help us cultivate mindfulness, deepen our connections with nature, and support our spiritual journey. Try one or all of them and see how they work for you, feeling free to adapt them to meet your own needs. An earth meditation for grounding and stability. Earth represents grounding, stability, and strength. To practice an earth-based meditation, find a quiet outdoor spot, preferably on natural ground like grass or soil. Sit or stand comfortably, feeling the connection between your body and the earth beneath you. Breathe deeply, imagining roots extending from your body into the ground, connecting and anchoring you to the earth. As you inhale, visualize drawing nourishment and stability from the earth. As you exhale, release any tension or stress into the ground. Continue this practice for several minutes, focusing on your connection with the earth and the feeling of groundedness it provides. Thank the earth for its grounding, stability, and strength. A water meditation for flow and adaptability. Water symbolizes flow, adaptability, and emotional healing. To practice a water-based meditation, find a location near a body of water, such as a river, lake, or ocean. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and listen to the sounds of the water. As you breathe, imagine your body as a vessel filled with water. With each inhale, the water inside you becomes calmer and more serene. Focus on the qualities of water, such as the ability to flow around obstacles and adapt to its environment. Continue this meditation for several minutes, embracing the fluidity and adaptability of water within yourself. Thank the water for its flow and adaptability. A fire meditation for transformation and energy. Fire represents transformation, energy, and passion. To practice a fire-based meditation, safely light a candle or sit near a campfire, ensuring you are safe from the flames. Observe the fire, noticing its colors, movement, and warmth. As you breathe, imagine your body being filled with the energy and warmth of the fire. Focus on the transformative power of fire, visualizing any negative thoughts or emotions being consumed by the flames and replaced with positive energy. Continue this meditation for several minutes, connecting with the passion and transformative energy of the fire. Thank the fire for its transformation and energy. An air meditation for clarity and freedom. Air symbolizes clarity, freedom, and inspiration. To practice an air-based meditation, find a location with fresh air, ideally outdoors in an open space. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take deep breaths, inhaling the fresh air and feeling it fill your lungs. As you breathe, imagine the air cleansing your thoughts and bringing mental clarity. With each exhale, release any mental clutter or negative thoughts, allowing them to be carried away by the wind. Continue this meditation for several minutes, connecting with the freedom and clarity of the air element. Thank the air for its clarity and freedom. Incorporating any or all of these nature-based meditations into your daily life can deepen your connection with the elements and enhance your spiritual growth. Whether we have a minute or half an hour, each element offers unique insights and qualities that can help us cultivate mindfulness, balance, and harmony in our lives. Embrace the wisdom of the elements and experience the transformative power of nature-based meditation practices. I would love to hear how this goes and the positive effects it brings into your life. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.